I'm in trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot and my stomach in a whirl. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. She's all I want and more. I mean, damn, what's not to adore? I've been playing too much guitar, I've been listening to jazz. I call so many times, I swear she's going mad. And that cellular will be the death of us, I swear, I swear. And oh, 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 oh. I'm running my mouth just like I got her, but I surely don't. Because she's so, uh-oh, 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 rock and rolling out of my league. Is she out of my league? Let's hope not. I'm in trouble, I'm so cliche. See, that word just wears me out. Makes me feel like just another boy to laugh and joke about. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. I love to hear that voice. And honestly, I'm left with no choice. I've been playing too much guitar. You say we're both little people and you like it that way, but in time I'm gonna put this body to shame. Grow old, wear a suit like my old man, pack up all my things and get my ass out of town. We got it good, whether you like this town or not. Oh, it's small but with a big head, it's bound to get high in the summer, but the summer is a bummer if you can't leave this pathetic excuse for a town that holds all your memories, a lifetime of crushes and your broken dreams. Be anywhere but here, but baby, anywhere is away from me. Ooh.